A Bodywork tool set is more than just a collection of tools, it's an essential companion for automotive professionals and enthusiasts committed to restoring and maintaining the aesthetic integrity of vehicles. With tools designed for dent repair, metal shaping, and fine detailing, a quality bodywork set ensures versatility across a wide range of applications. From hammering out stubborn dents to smoothing edges and panels, the array of specialized tools, such as body hammers, dollies, pry spoons, and sanders, provides the precision needed to tackle tasks with confidence. Whether you're restoring a vintage classic or fixing a minor fender bender, these tools are crafted to meet the demands of professionals and DIYers alike. Every tool in a bodywork set is designed to withstand the rigors of daily use. Constructed from high-grade materials like heat-treated steel and forged alloys, these tools offer exceptional strength, ensuring they maintain their performance over time. Ergonomically crafted handles provide a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during prolonged use, and precise machining ensures each tool delivers consistent results. With durability and user comfort at the forefront, these tools not only perform under pressure but also make the repair process more efficient and enjoyable. Beyond repair and restoration, a bodywork toolset empowers creativity, allowing users to sculpt and modify metal with artistic precision. From reshaping contours to achieving seamless finishes, these tools provide the control and reliability necessary to bring any vision to life. Whether working in a professional garage or a home workshop, having the right tools transforms complex projects into manageable tasks, saving time and improving outcomes. A complete bodywork toolset is an investment in craftsmanship, enabling users to take on challenges with skill, precision, and pride.